saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
Welcome back to my channel for this all day deep clean and declutter with me. Today I'm going to be giving the kitchen a good deep clean and decluttering areas that got left the last time I did a declutter, and I'm just going to be focusing on areas that get left the longest. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for weekly motivation by hitting the subscribe button down below, and also leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
Drip, now, drip, drip, drip. Oh, flick that switch.
You know that I love starting my day in a tidy kitchen because it just gives me the great opportunity to go in and give it a bit more of a deep clean, which is what I'm going to be doing today. So I just finished the last bit of the washing up, and I'm going to go in, clean the hob, put the washing up away, and clean the sink, and just give everything a thorough wipe over.
I know we're acting stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh.
So on this day, I didn't really have a lot of laundry to get done, but I bought some new washing powder and some new softener, and I just wanted to see what it would be like. So I did go ahead and just wash a couple of tops and a few trousers. I normally leave them to build up a little bit more, but like I said, I was just testing out my new products. So I went ahead and got the Surf detergent powder and the Comfort Intense softener. Do let me know if you use either of these, and let me know what other combinations you use, because I am just completely mixing it up at the moment and seeing what works best. If you didn't see my previous kitchen declutter and organisation video, I will have it linked at the top in the eye for you, so you can go ahead and watch that one next. That was an extreme declutter using the KonMari method, and this drawer is what was left over from that video. I do love decluttering in the KonMari method, but it can get very overwhelming, and on that day there was just so much to do that I saved this drawer until now, because I just couldn't face doing it all in one day. So I'm now just going to pull everything out, see what there is, try and declutter a little bit of it, and just try and reorganize it, because I think most of it I will be keeping, but I can't even see what's in there at the moment. And as you could see, I couldn't even open the drawer. So I'm just going to try and organize it in a little bit better so I can actually see what's in there.
My heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. Could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another
So I probably should have thought about what I was going to do before I started to do it, because at this point I was just so confused. I didn't know what to do, so I think you're going to see my full thought process play out here because I was just so confused. But I think at the end it does look a lot better, so bear with me because we do get there eventually.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been. How can I compare thee when no one ever could come close? Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you. But I know it's true that nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. No, nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. In a million days and in a million ways, I know this to be true, that nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. When I close my eyes now, like I got your smile going on repeat. You're the star of my movie.
I think that looks so much better. Now I know where everything is. Everything has its place. I know that it is still chock-a-block. It is still so packed, but I think it is an organised mess. I know where it is and it just feels so much better. So I'm really glad that I got that done today. And now it's time for me to go in and give the kitchen a bit more of a deep clean.
Nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you. But I know it's true that nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. No, nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. In a million days and in a million ways, I know this to be true, that nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that.
Don't forget to head over to my Instagram if you do want to follow me on a bit more of a daily basis. I do try and be as active as possible over there, and I also do giveaways each month as well. So if you do want to be part of that, I'll leave the link down in the description below, along with the link to my new Facebook group that I am trying to start up. It is just everything to do with the home. There's going to be lots of YouTubers posting home content as well as yourselves. I would love to post anything to do with your home, your favourite decor, your favourite cleaning products, any home transformations or DIYs will all be in that one Facebook group. So if you do want to be part of the home community, I will leave the link down in the description below.
You won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through we dreaming? You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, feel my stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, feel my stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me. So let's do this, babe.
So now I've given everything a good wipe down, I'm just going to grab the Hoover. That is the one good thing about having such a small kitchen, is it literally takes seconds to Hoover. So I'm going to go in with a Hoover it all over and just make it all nice and clean. And then I'm going to head to the front door because the carpet really needs some TLC. So I'm just going to quickly do the kitchen and then head on and do the hallway and the stairs as well.
Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you.
So I'm going to go in with this Vanish Gold carpet care. This is so good. This literally just gets everything off the floor. I've even spilt red wine on the carpet and this just got it up within seconds. So now I know that that works. That's always handy to have around. But I'm going to put this all over the front of the carpet because instead of taking our shoes off on the black mat, we always take a few steps in. So the front of this carpet gets really trodden in and muddy. So I'm just going to scrub the whole thing off, leave it for 5-10 minutes while I do the stairs and then come back to it. But it has been a while since I've disinfected and cleaned all of the banisters and everything, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that now.
My, oh my, a kiss, and so I did. I feel unbreakable. And honey, on those fingertips, feel unbreakable. Feel unbreakable. I feel unbreakable. Feel unbreakable. Oh, I can take it all.
So now I've finished wiping all the banisters and the skirting boards down. I'm going to go back in with the Hoover to hoover up the carpet and the stairs and everything. I did only do the banisters with the Tesco's own spray. I don't use the fancy sprays on the stairs. I think it'd be a bit of a waste. I don't know, that's just my opinion. I just use Tesco's own and it just cheap sprays for the stairs and skirting boards and things like that from now on, rather than wasting my fancy stuff. I'll save that for the kitchen and other areas, but right now I'm just going to go in and hoover everything off.
Change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. line up.
Now it's time to fold the laundry, and to be honest, I was quite disappointed with my choice of the detergent and the comfort softener. It really didn't smell of anything, which is really strange because each individual product smells really nice and really strong, but after washing them, yeah, it just doesn't smell of anything really, so that's a bit pointless. So I'm definitely not going to be using them again. I need to be on the hunt for something a little bit better. So if you use anything that smells really strong, because I love a good strong fragrance, please do let me know, because the Surf and the Comfort Intense just didn't work out. It did leave it very soft though, so if you prefer a more subtle fragrance and really soft clothes, then it's definitely for you, because the clothes are really soft and really nice. It's just not strong enough for me. So do let me know down below if you know any that are really, really strong. Thank you so much for watching today's clean and declutter with me. I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below, because I would love to have you a part of my little YouTube family, and also leave it a thumbs up if it did motivate you to clean along with me. I'm going to leave some more videos here on the screen for you so you can get even more motivation today, and I will see you back here in the next one.